We got a drill. We got drill bits. We already used the punch and the hammer to knock all the dent holes in. Got some fresh metal jigsaw blades, a relatively fresh jigsaw, and some automotive paint to help prime and seal up after the cut. And I've got a file over here I'm going to use to help file down some of the bits once we get that cut out. So now I'm going to cut a hole in a van. All right, I'm about to drill a hole in a van. Kind of crazy. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in a van now. And drilling all of this is that you'll see right along here, it's a bunch of little metal dust and shavings, and if you look down here, there's a bunch of metal down on the ground. It kind of makes a mess. Trick that I heard somebody do is actually to put a magnet below where you're drilling, and then all of the drill bits, filings and everything will get caught on that magnet and not be quite so messy. So I'll do that for the next one. All right, here's finished cut. I had to get all the way to where these two pieces met. If one part's sticking out further, you cannot fit the window. So make sure